Welcome to Auto In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix Windows 11 version 25H to not installing and resolve error codes.
Fix 1. Check internet connection and VPN. Step 1. Make sure your PC is connected to a stable internet network. Step 2. Disconnect any VPN or proxy, if active. Step 3. Restart your PC and try updating again. Fix 2. Free up disk space. Step 1. Press Win E and open this PC. Step 2. Right-click C, drive break C, try. Step 3. Select temporary files and unnecessary files. OK, delete files. Step 4. Retrieve the update. Fix 3. Use Windows Update Troubleshooter. Step 1. Go to Settings System, Troubleshoot Other Troubleshooters. Step 2. Click Run next to Windows Update. Step 3. Follow on-screen instructions.